Hey, so in this video, I'll show you how to generate proper high quality property listing descriptions using AI. In this case, I'll be using the OpenAI's GPT 4.1 model right inside Google Sheets. So as you can see that I have a bunch of data. This is dummy data just to demonstrate the process. So you can see that I have a bunch of columns like property types, bedrooms, bathrooms, area, year built, address, city, state, parking, kitchen type, and a lot of data points. And I want a really high quality listing description for that. So I have already written a prompt here. You can see that you are a professional real estate listing writer. Write a clean, direct, and professional property listing in first and second person point of view based on the following data. And all the data is provided in the prompt. And then I have some additional instructions. Structure the description with the following goals. Start with a clear and confident opening sentence describing the property type, location, and main highlights. Mention number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and you can see that it just keeps going. And at last I'm writing write naturally, avoid sounding robotic or repetitive. Format the output in plain text without bullet points, right? So this is a very detailed prompt, and now I'll be generating the output. So for that, I'll be using this Google Sheets multi-AI script, which is an app script that you can get from here. And it has multiple features, like it runs in the background, it has multiple AI models, and it's just one time purchase with no recurring fees, and you can use your own API keys. So as you can see that I have already the script set up properly in this Google Sheets. Yes, you can see that it's here. And now, I'll go to this settings tab and then start setting up. In this case, I'm using the OpenAI. So I have the OpenAI key already pasted here. As you can see, I have the temperature set as 0.7, max tokens as 1000, and system prompt is just be precise and concise, right? Scroll down and you have to now add the sheet name. In this case, I'm working in this sheet, but let's change the name as something like listing. Yeah, that sounds better. So here I'll write listing and then choose the AI engine. In this case, I'm using the OpenAI. So I'll choose that AI model. In this case, I'm using the GPT 4.1 model. So it must be something, yes, you can see that GPT 4.1. The start row. So obviously the row will start from the row 2 and it will go till row 6 in this case. So start row is 2, end row is 6, and prompt columns and output columns it's asking. So I have the prompt in the column U and I want the output in the column V, right? So I just have to write U and V and then process sheets. Yes, check it. And yeah, you are ready to run. So I'll just come here and then click on this generate process sheets button, and it will ask me for the authorization at first. So let me authorize it. Select my email, select all the permissions, and then click on this continue button. And it's authorized now. So you can see that it's generating already. It's in plain text and the outputs are based on the data that we are providing. So there are like very low chances or almost negligible chances of the AI providing wrong description. So let me go through one of the responses. Experience comfortable living in this furnished 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom house for sale at 123 this address. So let's verify it. I think 4 bedroom and 3 bathroom. Number of bedrooms 4, bathrooms 3, correct? And this is the address, Austin. Yes, this is the address. And built in 2018, 2500 square feet. Built in 2018, 2500 square feet, 2 car garages, central AC, and swimming pool and multiple features. And you can see that it's pool and central AC, backyard, two-car garage, and everything. All the information will be 100% correct because we are just providing it all the information and then asking it to generate the description. So yes, you can get the script from this link. I'll put a link to it in the description below, and hope this helps, and see you in the next video.